All right, everybody, this is homework number 1. Let's go over a couple questions. If I take a look, I'm going to go ahead and do or work on this one, and questions number 5 and question number 6. Okay? Question number 3 says, directions in the lab manual instruct students to pour a small amount of hydrochloric acid into a beaker. Hawkeye puts on safety goggles and an apron before pouring the acid to the beaker. So if I'm looking at this, not only is he putting on safety goggles and an apron, but he's definitely going to be protecting his face and his clothes from any spilled or splattered acid that he might be working for. So this is definitely a yes. Taking a look at the next one, it says Trapper John finds a paperclip on the floor and becomes curious. He wants to know what will happen if he sticks a paperclip into an electrical outlet at his desk. His partners agree, and he performs the experiment. In all goodness, this is definitely a no. Not only could he start a fire, but he could also hurt his heart and the rest of his body and get burned from it. Question number 5. Notice that she is wearing absolutely no protective gear on her eyes when she's working with beakers and acid. I'm not sure if she's wearing gloves, and she's definitely not wearing anything to protect her clothing. So this is definitely a no. She's wearing no protective clothes. Question number 6. Even though she's wearing goggles, if you notice that beaker is getting heated up and it's steaming. So not only can she inhale those fumes, but if that beaker continues or that test tube continues to boil, it could boil all over and burn the rest of her face. So this is definitely a no as well. Okay, so always, always, always point test tubes away from you. Okay, so those are 4 questions out of your homework. Read through the other ones. There's a few questions on the back, don't forget, and I'll see you tomorrow.